In this session, we will discuss about the p block elements, group 15. Group 13 to 18 are collectively called p block elements, since the last electron of these elements enter the p subshell. The p block elements comprises of the boron family, starting with boron, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen family, and noble gases. In this session, we will learn about the nitrogen family. The nitrogen family comprises of nitrogen with a symbol N, phosphorus P, arsenic As, antimony Sb, and bismuth Bi. The general electronic configuration of group 15 elements is Ns2np3. For nitrogen, the outer electronic configuration is 2s2 2p3. For phosphorus, it is 3s2 3p3. For arsenic, it is 4s2 4p3. So we can generalize the general electronic configuration as Ns2np3. In case of nitrogen, we should study the preparation, structure and properties of dinitrogen, nitric acid, ammonia and oxy acids of nitrogen. In case of phosphorus, we should study the preparation, structure and properties of PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphine and other oxy acids of phosphorus. Molecular nitrogen comprises 78% by volume of the atmosphere. In the earth crust, it occurs as sodium nitrite, also called Chile salpetre, and potassium nitrate, called Indian salpetre. It is found in the form of proteins in plants and animals. Phosphorus occurs in minerals of apatite family. Phosphorus is an essential constituent of animal and plant matter. It is present in the bones as well as in the living cells. Phosphoproteins are present in the milk and eggs. Arsenic, antimony and bismuth are found mainly as sulfide minerals. All the elements of group 15 tend to follow the following periodic trends. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract the electrons to the center of the nucleus. As we move down the group, the atomic size increases. As the size increases, the effective nuclear charge of the nucleus decreases, and hence its ability to attract electron decreases. Thus, electronegativity decreases down the group. The second property is ionization enthalpy. It is the amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of an atom in its gaseous phase. As we move down the group from nitrogen, phosphorus, antimony, etc., the atomic size of the elements increases. When the size of the elements increases, the effective nuclear charge that holds the nucleus and electrons together decreases. As the effective nuclear charge decreases, it becomes easy to remove the electrons from the outermost shell. Thus, as we move down the group, the ionization enthalpy decreases. The third property is atomic radius, which we have already discussed. The atomic radius increases down the group. The fourth property is electron affinity. It is the ability of an atom to accept an electron. As we move down the group, the atomic size increases and hence the electronic affinity decreases. The fifth property is melting point. It is the amount of energy required to break bonds to change solid phase substance into liquid phase. The property of melting point mainly depends upon the mass of the elements. Down the group, we know that the atomic mass increases and hence the melting point also increases going down the group. The sixth property is boiling point. It is the amount of energy required to break bonds to change liquid phase substance to gas. Similar in the case of melting point, the boiling point also increases going down the group. The physical properties of nitrogen family. All the elements of this group are polyatomic. Dinitrogen is diatomic gas while others are solids. The metallic character increases down the group. Nitrogen and phosphorus are nonmetals. Arsenic and antimony are metalloids, and bismuth is a metal. The boiling point in general increases from top to bottom in the group, but the melting point increases up to arsenic and then decreases up to bismuth. Except nitrogen, all the elements show allotropy. Next, we will discuss the anomalous properties of nitrogen. Anomalous properties means the properties of nitrogen that differentiates nitrogen from other elements. Nitrogen is smallest in size when compared to other elements of nitrogen family. Nitrogen does not have a d orbital. The electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, so it does not have a d orbital. Nitrogen is highly electronegative. Nitrogen is diatomic and it exists as N triple bond N, whereas other elements are polyatomic. Nitrogen has a unique property to form pi bonds. The triple bond between two nitrogen atoms consists of two pi bonds and one sigma bond. Nitrogen is a gas, while other elements of this group are solids. Next, we will discuss the chemical properties of nitrogen family elements. First, the oxidation state. The stability of +3 oxidation state increases down the group, while that of +5 oxidation state decreases down the group. The oxidation numbers of nitrogen and phosphorus in various compounds are given here. The second property is reactivity towards hydrogen. All the elements of group 15 form hydrides of the type EH3, where E is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony or bismuth. For example, nitrogen forms the hydride NH3 or ammonia. Phosphorus forms PH3, also called phosphine. Down the group, the covalent character, basicity and thermal stability decreases while the reducing character increases. Explain why ammonia is a stronger base than phosphine. This is because the electron density of nitrogen atom is higher than that of phosphate atom due to the small size of nitrogen atom. Therefore, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom is more easily available. The ability of atoms to donate electrons is called the basic character. More easily it can donate electrons, more is the basic character. Give the order of basicity and reducing character and stability for the following hydrides. We have already studied that for the nitrogen family elements, the basicity and stability decreases down the group, whereas the reducing character increases down the group. The next property is reactivity towards oxygen. All the elements of nitrogen family forms two types of oxides, E2O3 and E2O5, where E is any element of the nitrogen family. For example, nitrogen forms the oxides N2O3 and N2O5. The next property is reactivity towards halogens. The elements react with halogens to form two types of halides, EX3 and EX5, where E is any one of the nitrogen family elements and X is the halogen. Examples are nitrogen trifluoride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, etc. Nitrogen does not form pentahalide due to non-availability of d orbitals in its valence shell. Two frequently asked questions are given here. Though nitrogen exhibits +5 oxidation state, it does not form pentahalide. Give reason. Nitrogen with shell number equal to 2 has got only s and p orbitals, that is 2s and 2p. It does not have d orbital to expand its covalency beyond 4. That is why it does not form pentahalide. Next question. Phosphine has got lower boiling point than ammonia. Why? The answer is, unlike ammonia, phosphine molecules are not associated through hydrogen bonding in liquid state. That is why the boiling point of phosphine is lower than ammonia. Boiling point highly depends upon hydrogen bonding. More the hydrogen bonding, more is the boiling point. Hydrogen bonding can be defined as the electrostatic force of attraction between an electronegative atom like oxygen and an electropositive element like hydrogen. This figure depicts the hydrogen bonding between the water molecule and ammonia molecule. There is an electrostatic force of attraction between the electronegative oxygen in water molecule and electropositive hydrogen in ammonia molecule. This kind of electrostatic force of attraction is called hydrogen bonding. When the atoms are bound together by hydrogen bonding, they will show a reluctancy to escape to the gaseous phase. Thus, more the hydrogen bonding, more is the boiling point. The next property is reactivity towards metals. All these elements react with metals to form binary compounds exhibiting -3 oxidation state. Nitrogen combined with calcium to form Ca3N2 called calcium nitride. Phosphorus combined with calcium to form Ca3P2 called calcium phosphide. Arsenic combines with sodium to form sodium arsenide. Antimony combines with zinc to form zinc antimonide. Bismuth combined with magnesium to form magnesium bismuthide. The different hydrides of group 15 elements and their comparisons are given here. Now we will discuss the preparation of dinitrogen N2. The commercial preparation of nitrogen involves liquefaction followed by fractional distillation of air. Since the air contains 78% nitrogen, fractional distillation of air is regarded as the commercial method for preparation of nitrogen. In the laboratory method, ammonium chloride combines with sodium nitrite to form nitrogen, 2 moles of water and sodium chloride. Very pure nitrogen can be obtained by thermal decomposition of sodium or barium acide. 2 molecules of sodium acide on thermal decomposition produces 2 molecules of sodium and 3 molecules of dinitrogen. Similarly, barium acide on thermal decomposition produces barium and 3 molecules of dinitrogen. Next we will discuss some chemical properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen has got two isotopes, nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15. Some of the important chemical reactions of nitrogen are given here. These reactions will be asked in the 2 mark section under the heading Complete the following reactions. Next we will discuss the preparation of ammonia NH3. In the laboratory method, 2 molecules of ammonium chloride combines with 1 molecule of calcium hydroxide to produce calcium chloride, 2 molecules of ammonia and 2 molecules of water. Ammonia is collected by upward delivery as it is lighter than air and dried over quicklime. On a large scale, ammonia is manufactured by Haber's process. In this process, nitrogen and hydrogen gas are compressed under 200 atmospheric pressure. The high pressure liquefy the nitrogen and hydrogen gases. The liquefied gases are then sent to the catalytic chamber. The catalytic chamber comprises of iron oxide catalyst with small amounts of aluminum oxide and potassium oxide. In the presence of catalyst, nitrogen and hydrogen combine together to form ammonia. The ammonia is obtained in the liquid form and is collected in the beaker. The leftover nitrogen and hydrogen are again recycled with the help of a pump. So the conditions for Haber process are iron catalyst, high temperature of 450 degrees Celsius or 700 Kelvin and high pressure of 200 atmosphere. The ammonia molecule has trigonal pyramidal shape with nitrogen atom connected to 3 hydrogen atoms. The nitrogen atom has got one lone pair of electrons which makes the ammonia basic. In ammonia, nitrogen is sp3 hybridized. Presence of a lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom of ammonia makes it a Lewis base. Ammonia donate electron pairs and form linkages with metal ions and form compounds that has got a distinct color. So it finds application in the detection of metal ions such as copper and silver. Copper ions, ammonia forms a deep blue color precipitate. On the other hand, the white precipitate of silver chloride is decolorized by ammonia. Next we will discuss the uses of ammonia. Ammonia is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, example ammonium sulfide. Ammonia is used in softening of water. It is used in making nitric acid. It is also used for making plastic. Liquid ammonia is used as a refrigerant.